Take command of the road in the 2009 Saturn OUTLOOK. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.